Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can install and set up ZeroClaw as a complete beginner without any previous experience. So this will be a complete beginner step-by-step guide that you can just follow along. And I'll also show you how you can connect it to Telegram so you can use Telegram as a chat app of choice. But let's go ahead and get right into it. So the first thing that we will need to do is decide where we want to install ZeroClaw. Now I would strongly suggest not installing it or setting it up on your main PC or the PC on which you have any information or data that matters to you. Because once you install it, it will have complete ownership of that device on which you install it on. So the safest and also the most affordable method that I will be also using and that I also used for my openclaw is installing it on a VPS, which is just a fresh virtual PC that once we install it on, it can run 24/7, and that way we can use ZeroClaw whenever we want and keep our personal data safe. And it's also much cheaper than spending hundreds of dollars on a dedicated Mac Mini. So the VPS provider that I'm using for all of my setups is Hostinger, which I strongly suggest for anyone when installing these types of bots. And if you guys also want to use Hostinger, I will leave a 20% discount link which you can use to get to this page and get your VPS plan. Now if the link doesn't work, I'll also leave a promo code that will do the same. So for this, for my installation, I'll be using the Hostinger KVM2 plan. So you will just need to click choose plan and then just do some simple setup steps. First off, you will just need to select the server location, which is automatically set up on the location which has the lowest latency. For me, that's Germany. The second step is just selecting your operating system. For this, I will suggest that you go to the plain OS tab and then select Ubuntu Linux as your operating system. This has the most support out there and also the most tutorials related to openclaw, ZeroClaw and all other forks of the openclaw project. So I will just leave it at the latest version and then click on confirm. If you want to be 100% sure that you got the discount, you can use the promo code from the description below and input it into this page under the promo code section. And the last step that you would need to do is just select the period in which you would like to have your server run. So if you're serious about this, you can select 24 months, but I'll go ahead and select 12 months and then click on continue to finish everything up and go to the checkout page. After you've done that, I will meet you on the next page where we can start with the installation of the ZeroClaw bot. So once you have set up your VPS server, this will be your VPS server's dashboard, and from here to initiate the setup, we would just need to open the terminal so we can run commands there and set everything up. Now, once you have your terminal opened up, you can check the description below of the video, and there you will find a full commands list that you would need to initiate in order to install and set up ZeroClaw. So once you have that command list opened up, let's get right into the process. So the first command that we will be using is this command right here, which will just upgrade our operating system. Now keep in mind, if you went with Hostinger as a VPS, you would just need to press Ctrl+Shift+V to paste it, or you can just paste over it like this manually. But essentially, once you have your command right here, let's go ahead and press enter to initiate the command and upgrade our operating system to the latest version. And there we go, the upgrade is finished. And next up, let's go ahead and install all the dependencies that we need for ZeroClaw to run. Once that's installed, let's go ahead and install Rust. Now this is the language that ZeroClaw uses to function. So we do that with this command. And this can take a few moments, but before the installation of Rust starts, we would need to select one of these three options. So I'll just press enter to select the first default option, which I suggest you to do the same. There we go. Now let's unpack this installation with this command right here. And now the most important step of the video, let's go ahead and clone the repository of the ZeroClaw bot. So let's press enter and then the installation will start. So next up, let's go ahead and build this installation with this command. And this one can take even more time, but just let it go through all the processes and you will be set. Now, if you get a timeout from your VPS, you just need to load up a new terminal and they just continue from where you left off. And there we go. So depending on your internet connection, this might be faster or slower, but for me it took about 7 minutes. Next up, let's go ahead and make this installation global. So we do this with this command right here. This is the command for step 7. And this should take about half of the time that it took for the first installation. And now that is finished, we can go ahead and initiate the onboarding process. And we do this by just writing ZeroClaw onboard, just like this, and then press enter, and that will give you the ZeroClaw onboarding wizard. So here is a short menu that tells you the ZeroClaw setup. So everything here is set up, but you would just need to add your API key, and for the model they automatically chose Entropic Cloud. So I made a video on how you can change the model and also the API key. So you can watch that in the upper right corner if you would like to do so. But for this video I'll just quickly speedrun this step and then we'll go to the Telegram setup. As you can see, none of the communication apps have been set up with ZeroClaw at the moment. So I just quickly changed the model and the provider with these two commands, but on the next step you would need to follow along with your API key. So if you're using Claude as they recommended here, you would just need to use this command right here. So for you, you would just need to remove this API key and then place your own API key instead of this one. This command will also be in the guide from the description below. So just go ahead and change the API key section with your API key that you're using for your ZeroClaw setup. So I'll use this one and then just go ahead and paste it over in the terminal and change it to my API key. So now we set up the API key, aka the brain of our ZeroClaw bot. Again, if you would like to use any other model or provider besides Entropic Cloud, you can watch that video that I mentioned. But now let's go ahead and set up Telegram so we can communicate with ZeroClaw. So we do that with this command, ZeroClaw onboard, channels only. And then here you would just need to use your keyboard to select Telegram, which is the first option right here. So just use your arrows and then get the arrow to the Telegram and then press enter to confirm Telegram as your choice. Next up, this step is same as with the openclaw setup. So let's go ahead and open Telegram and do these steps to connect ZeroClaw and our Telegram account. So once you have your Telegram opened up, go ahead and find the botfather user. So you just copy botfather in the search bar and then select botfather. Next up, you would just need to use the command that says new bot in the chat with the botfather, just like this. And then that will initiate the new bot creation wizard. So let's go ahead and select the name of our bot. So essentially guys, now we're creating a Telegram bot that afterwards will connect to ZeroClaw as its communication profile on Telegram. So I'll just name it, for example, something like this, and then I'll just copy the name so I can use it as a username. And now let's go ahead and add a bot at the end, because once you're creating a Telegram bot, it needs to end with a bot right here. So I'll just add some random numbers, just so we're sure that the username is not already taken. And there we go. So the username was available and our bot was created. Next up, once we created our Telegram bot, let's go ahead and copy this HTTP API key and then paste it over right here. Now just press enter to confirm it, and then this might take a few moments for it to load. So as you can see right here, it's connected with our Telegram bot. The username is right here to confirm it. And as you can see here, let's go ahead and input this star right here to confirm it. And then just go ahead and press enter to finish the setup. So it looks like they added a new step. Before we just launched the daemon manually, but here you can just press Y to confirm the daemon launch. And now, as you can see, it says that the Telegram channel is listening for messages. So from there, just go ahead and open up your Telegram again and then click on your bot link right here so you can initiate the chat with your bot. And there we go. So that's the full ZeroClaw setup along with Telegram and the API key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and also you can check some other videos related to these topics on the channel. Thank you guys for watching.